Hi, this time I completed my project and now I can send orders using this Galaxy phone and open or close or other orders for this electric lock. This lock of course will be on a door, and this door will open when I want it to open and will close when I want it to close. There was some problem in the speed, in the communication speed between the module and the BIC. Now the problem is solved, and now I wrote some code to test this project. What I wrote was a command to open the door, and another command to close the door, and another command to open the door for some seconds. But for this project to be a real security lock, a real security electric lock, I needed to make something like a password, and nobody knows this password but the user. And also you have to have access to this password and make a change whenever you want. This password will be a 6-digit password, either letters or numbers. Of course, this is in addition to the password of the Bluetooth module. So we have here two levels of security: the Bluetooth module password and the password that you have to enter whenever you want to close or open the electric door. Now, this is the lock, this is the circuit. I want to test it now. I had some problem in the switching circuit of the lock. I think I solved the problem. Anyway, let's try this now. Let me first switch on the power. Now the Bluetooth is waiting for some user. Of course, I made this I made this big also I made it like communicating with the user friendly. I mean, whenever you do some command, it will tell you, is this command is correct, is this command not correct, did you enter the right password, did you enter the wrong password, did you do something wrong. It will tell you all of this. Let's try this one first. I will connect now to my module. Now it is connected and the light has changed. Now I will enter some password. My password, if I didn't enter my password, let's say it's 6-digit. Let's say I will enter this password, which is a wrong password. It will say no and enter the password again. If I enter another password, it will say no again and enter another password. If I enter the right password, which is my name, Mahmoud, of course it matters. It's case sensitive. If it is capital or small, it matters. I can write it in one sentence, but I made a mistake. I did enter. Anyways, in one sentence or in another sentence, it will not matter. See, he said okay. Now I can have access. I can open or close the door. Initially, the door is closed, and this is logical. Now I want to open the door. So now I have access because I entered the password. I will do the command open, which is O. Now my lock is opened. Now in order to close this lock, I need to enter the password again. For example, I enter again a wrong password, it will say no. Let me enter my right password and close the door with this command C. Now the door has closed. Of course, I will do later a real door model and install this electric lock in it. I will also have a final PCB. Now let's try another command. Let's say I will enter my password first. Now let's say I want to open this door for only 10 seconds. So the order T will do this. It is opened. After 10 seconds it will close. And now it is closed. Now I have to enter my password again to enter another command. Now I will enter my password. Imagine I want to change my password now because of some reason. In order to change my password, I will enter B. It will say, okay, enter your password. I will enter my new password, which is also will be 6 digits. Let me enter, for example, Mah. It's okay. Now if I enter my previous password, which is Mahmoud, it will no longer be available. But if I enter my new password, which is Mah, it will say okay, and I can again open my electric lock. Please, if you have any ideas, any additional ideas that I can add to my project, please don't hesitate to comment on this video and to give me some suggestion to improve my project. Special thanks to Ibrahim and Sayed Arfan. Thank you very much.